Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explored. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple animation in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. So let's start. This is the Pelton wheel turbine, and here you can see buckets and the runner disc. Now we are going to make simple animation, and for that, first of all, select the proper view orientation from which you are going to make animation. So let's say I'm going to select this view orientation, then select or zoom, then click on this tab motion study 1. After that, click on this button motor and then select this shaft. So this arrow represents the direction of rotation, so we need the rotation on this direction. Then scroll down from here, and this is the speed of the turbine. So let's select 60 rpm, then again scroll down and press OK button. So here you can see in this in the timeline we had automatically created the key. This is the speed of animation, and you can set it according to your desire. So let's select 0.5 times and then press this button calculate. Now if you want to rotate the whole model in the animation, click on this button animation wizard. Then there are three options as we are going to rotate the model, so select rotate model, then hit next. These are the axes of rotation, so as I am going to rotate it along the y-axis, so select y-axis, and this is the direction. From here select counterclockwise, and then these are the number of rotations. Let me type 0.3 rotation, then hit next. So this is the duration for the rotation. So you can edit it. Let me select 5 seconds, and then this is the start time. You can also edit it, then hit finish. So the keys are automatically generated. Now if you click and drag the seek bar and see, now if you want to save this animation in the hard drive, click on this button save animation, then specify the save location, name the animation, then from here select the aspect ratio, and I'm going to select 16:9, then press save button. It will recalculate the whole animation and then save it on the hard drive. Now press yes button. So now you can see the recalculation has been done. Now go to the folder where you had saved the animation and open it. So here you can see. So I hope you had enjoyed and learned from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.